Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe Sonia, and I am back again with another video, guys. As you guys already seen from the thumbnail of this video is just gonna be about unboxing my wedding gifts with me. Yes, this was the one I was able to drag all the way from Kaduna down here, and mind you, some of these, in fact, I've started using some. I can't lie, okay. So this unboxing was supposed to be a whole lot, but if I said I should join everything together, it's going to be very long. So I'm going to be unboxing this one first, then in the next video that you guys are going to be seeing, I'm going to be unboxing like my 100 pieces stuff like that. I don't know how to put it, okay, but when I want to do the unboxing, I'll actually look for a way to put it, okay. So with no further ado, if you've not subscribed, please do a subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share, okay, for other persons to get this good news. I've done all my ring light setup, but I don't know if the light is giving what I want. But anyways, let's just dive right into this video, okay. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I just want to start now, okay, because I feel like this dining space is actually the best site for me, okay. So let's just start. Unbox. So, in fact, I need to sit on the floor. Jesus, this. I don't know the setting I go put again. The sun is sunning in my eyes. Okay, guys. So this particular one is duvet. You can see a duvet blanket. It comes with different set of pillows inside, like throw pillows. I'll just open one because the second one I'm not going to open again. So it comes with this different set of throw pillows. I think there are about 3 or 4 inside. Yeah, with the best spray and everything, okay. So it was a gift given to me by my special big mommy, okay. So this particular one, just ignore that this is, I was actually carrying it and the thing just, this gift is so special to me, okay. It's also a duvet, and it also comes in, you see, different pillowcases. This gift is so special to me because this gift came from my school daughter. Like, I was so shocked, I was so surprised. In fact, guys, let me bring this. Let me understand what is happening. Giving me what I want. So yeah, this is how this looks like, okay. So let me just turn this here like this, okay. So okay, so I got this in 2 different sizes. I think these are portioning plates. Not I think, these are portioning plates. You can see I got them in 2 sizes and I'm so grateful. I say 2 sizes, 2 different colors. I got this beautiful special cooler as well, and I think it has this extra one inside where you can put like this stew or any other stuff. So this cooler will be very helpful because I'll start doing some of my stuff inside. I got this non-sticking fry pan as well. You can see I've not opened it, so yeah, I don't know if I'll be needing it now. So probably anytime I'll be needing it, I'll have to open it, okay. Yeah. And see guys, I got electric kettle, big size for that matter. I think I've opened this one because I wanted to use it. I was like, no, I've not done unboxing, so don't open it yet. Yes, but you can see the size. The size is really big and it's really massive. Like when I got it, I was like, yo, I wanted to buy this. Thank God I did not buy it. Yep. And I got a sandwich maker. You see some of these things that you God is putting them in your mind there, and the spirit be like, just hold on, don't buy it. You better respect that voice, okay? Because I got this, I think this is a toaster. Sandwich maker is a toaster. Yeah, it's a toaster. So I'll start doing some plenty toasting. As you guys know, we'll be toasting bread and doing plenty sandwich here. So yeah. I got this particular flax in 2 sets, but I've started using one already. In fact, if I go to my kitchen now, you'll see one. I've started using one already, which is the biggest one. So I got it in 2 Oh god, I cannot remember. I think the person that gave me this one is my mom's friend. She gave me 2 of this, which is this size and another bigger, the biggest one. So I'm started using that big one. That's why I see some of these things. I've started using it. So guys, see, I got this beautiful rice. Is it rice? Blah blah blah. I don't even know what to put. I think, but when you guys understand better because I'm not the kitchen person. I got big chopping board. So you guys are going to be seeing this because the last one I have, the one I was using when I was single, I dashed my girlfriend. So since I'm giving it to her, I'll start using this one. Then what is this? Okay, I got this beautiful plate rack as well. You can see it's so beautiful and it's stainless. I don't even know. Oh my god. Anyways, I'll start using it. So why am I shouting oh my god? Because I don't even have anyone at all. You guys know. Oh my god. See guys, the stainless one, I think I'll figure out how to fix it after this video, but you guys can see I got a very beautiful plate rack and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Oh my god. And oh Jesus Christ, when I received this gift, I was so happy. See guys, my mom personally gave me this gift and a set of bath. I'm going to show you guys, okay? I'm going to bring it down because it's on top of that wardrobe. So I'll bring it out and show you guys before the end of this video. She personally gave me this beautiful set, and when I saw it, I was like, Jesus. Mama, where you get money buy all these ones? Because you know your mother, you know the level now. So, but we thank God for where God has put us, okay? See now. And it came with this beautiful flax. There's the flax inside. Let me open this flax. Let me bring out the flax. It came with this beautiful flax. You can see. So it's like a set. She just told me that I want to be the one to give you plates that you will use to feed your husband, and then bath. That whenever you have a baby, I will come and do my first omugo and all of my omugo. So I want to give you bath first and this particular beautiful one, and I was so grateful. In fact, when my mom gave me this thing, I cry. I can't lie, because you know I wasn't expecting this much from her. I know definitely as a mother she will look for something that she wants to give me, but I wasn't expecting this huge because I don't know how much this costs and how much the bath costs. I will show you guys, but I know this is a whole lot and I'm so grateful. Even if it's 5 naira, to me it's a whole lot, and I love her so much. Okay, so yes, and I have this. See guys, I have like 3 of this beautiful stainless. I don't know what I'll be doing with them for now, but probably I'll be eating rice with them. I don't want any of this plate to waste. See, I have this, like I have a whole lot of plates. See, all this from my beautiful lovely sister. Okay, yeah, you can see them guys. They are of different sets, and right now I've told myself I'm going to discard every other plate I have in that kitchen because I must go with this, because the beauty of it is that I love white and I'm seeing white now and I'm so grateful. So I am going to be starting with this full kitchen intenses. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. But anyways, let me know the colors that you like so much. Imagine, see how beautiful it is. See the colors. In fact, you guys are going to be seeing them more now because I'm discarding every other stuff. I'll dash some out and I'll give some to my mom, because during my wedding process I think some of her plates got missing. So but I'll give her. See this one, Divine and Delight Square is always using these plates to intimidate me. I've catch you now. I have my own now. So guys, I have this beautiful, you can see this also came all the way from my sisters. You can see, and yeah, you can see them. They are beautiful. They came in 3 sets. They say using it to be serving your husband. We don't want you to serve him on a bed dining, and trust me, I've not started using it, but now I want to, after this unboxing, in fact, I'll rearrange my kitchen. Okay, yeah. What else do I have here? Dum, 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 dum. Oh my god, guys, rice cooker. And for the fact that this place that I is, this place that I am, is a place whereby light want to choke me. I'm going to be choking the light as well with this rice cooker. Guys, I got this beautiful rice cooker and it was a whole lot, and I really do appreciate it. Okay, so grateful for it. Then the set of this beautiful, oh my god, let me open it. See how this spoon is, guys. This is so fine, and I'm so grateful. I am so grateful. So let me get the bath. Guys, I'm here, and this is the set of bath my mom personally, single-handedly hit her chest and gave me. Okay, you can see I love the color. I love it that it's not that kind of old-fashioned vibes bath. Okay, so yeah, and I'm so grateful. When I was coming, I tied this stuff inside so that it will not be missing. This beautiful bag and this throw pillow. Let me get this one first. Guys, see the throw pillow I was telling you guys about that my aunt gave me with one of these enlargement that I unboxed with you guys. Okay, so yeah, this is how the throw pillow looks like. If you've not seen that video where I unboxed my enlargement gift, please do well to go and check out those videos. You can see this throw pillow is so beautiful. I love this picture here. I love the fact that there's a different sweet picture here, and I actually love this particular picture, sleeping in love. And yeah, this is how beautiful this throw pillow look like. Okay, so she said go and put it in your sitting room, so henceforth you guys will be seeing it on my couch. Okay, so, and this beautiful bag, Jesus Christ, guys, this bag was given to me by my younger brother, Marvelous. You guys know that my small brother stay with me. If you've been following the channel for a long time, if you're an OG, you already know Marvelous. Okay, so Marvelous single-handedly gave me this beautiful bag. I know that no matter how, this bag will cost him nothing less than 5,000, 7,000, and I am so grateful, because I was not expecting anything from my younger brother. This is someone I should be giving money, not him even giving me something. But when this came in, I was so grateful, and I love this bag so much. Thank you so much, Marvelous. You are one of my sweetest boo-boos. So I went and packed all that stuff that I left. This thing came in two. Yes, this, are you seeing it? I don't even know. I can't lie to you guys. I don't even know what this thing is, but I'll try and figure out, because everything they give me is not going to waste. Okay, so you can see this came in two. I've forgotten who gave me some of all these properties. Okay, the ones I remember is the one I can tell you, because most of them I didn't receive them personally, like with my hands. My parents, my sisters received them for me, even before. Oh my god, this one, yes, this one single-handedly, this is the second one. Hope this thing never scatter. So this is the second one. You can see how it looks. I feel like this thing is the same thing as this. If they are both the same, probably I'll just dash one out. Yes, I'll dash one out. Okay. So see how this thing look like. If you know the function, please let me know. I got this one is specifically from my sister's husband. Okay, my in-law, the one from Imo State, and I'm so grateful for it, and I am so super excited. Okay, no, this one you block me, don't come and block me. Okay, so this sunglass glass cup, it has been long I saw this sunglass glass cup, but when I saw it in my gift, I was like, I beg, who give me this cup? But for the fact that it's gifts, I'm so grateful, and I'm going to be using it. Okay, because immediately I saw it, I was like, who give me this cup? This cup got take if I let me. But I love the fact that they want to bring back my memories. Okay, I'll be using it to be drinking water, and that's why I jack it all the way to this place. I say no gift is a waste. It's not easy for someone to even think about you and decide to like bless you with something. Okay, yeah, Yup. This is the exciting part of the gift for me. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Jesus Christ. See guys, this was given to me by my Ashrebi girls, and you guys saw it I think in my bridal shower video where they gave me this and I handed it over to one of my sisters. So this was what they gave me. They gave me blender, and I'm so grateful. In fact, this is the first blender I'm having all my life. Anyway, now I'm married, so what am I saying? So yes, I'm so grateful. This blender is here, and Ashrebi girls, thank you so much. I'm so grateful, and I really do appreciate. Thank you for taking out your time to support me and show me love. God bless you guys. Okay, so I know who gave me this one, my Ashrebi. So yeah, I have to put this here so that I don't end up doing brr in the car when I was coming from Kaduna. So let me just tear this now. Guys, this is a set of pots, like 3 sets of pots, and these pots, oh my god, who gave me this pot? I don't know, because there are different sets of pots here. So 3 sets of beautiful pots given to me, but it was my mom that handed it over, so I really do not know who gave me these pots. But I think probably the women of the street or what, I can't really understand, but this is it. They are really beautiful. I love them. My mom was like, pack everything and go. Go with your pots. My sister was begging me for one, but I ended up giving her, but not in this particular set. I gave her one from this particular set. This pot, another person gave me this pot, this Toshiba pot, and it came to, yeah, the big one and the small one. So I gave my sister the big one, the one that is in Abuja. Okay, I personally gave her because she overtried for me. Her effort was much, so I have to give her the big one of this one. After all, I don't even know what I'll be doing this time, because if I unbox the other set of pots, you guys are going to ask me, start doing bonanza of pots. Okay, so very soon I'll be doing bonanza of pots. I'll be doing giveaway with pots. So just stay hooked in this channel so that whenever my big giveaway is coming, you guys are going to be following up my giveaway. Okay, yeah, I think that's for now. Here is empty, and the rest of that. So these are few of the things that I was gifted, and to be honest with you, I've started using some already. Like the biggest pot that my school daughter, oh my god, my school daughter, I can't wait. I just pray I have money to buy you a car during your own wedding. Okay, that's just my prayer, because for her to take at a time a student, the person I usually send money to, the person I usually care for, and is now God. I asked her, how did you get this money to buy this particular duvet, because I know it's expensive, at least to go up to 17,000-20,000. She was like, she had to gather the money, and I'm so grateful. So her mom gave me another big pot, like it's this type of pot, but that one is more original, more quality than this. So I started using it already. I'm sorry, you guys should please forgive me. I can't wait, because I noticed that all my pots that I have when I was single, it was small, and I decided, okay, let me just start using it and official. So when I'm doing unboxing, I'll let you guys know as well. So yeah, this is my first set of unboxing. I'll be doing the second unboxing. You guys are going to see it in another video. And if you've not subscribed, if you've not stayed tuned on this channel, when I'm about to do this giveaway, all these plenty things giveaway, all these ones that came in too, when I'll be doing the giveaway, you will be available, so you better stay tuned. Okay, so yeah, do what to subscribe, drop me your comments, which is your favorite among all these gifts I have actually unboxed. Let me know, because I would really love to know. And yes, thank you so much for those of you, even those that did not gift. At least some persons call, some persons drop their love words, some sent text messages, some were asking, some persons drop congratulatory words, and the rest of that. I am so grateful to all of you. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Then to those ones that gifted me all these precious things, my mom, my dad, my siblings, mom, sister, mom, friends, and the rest of that, my TikTok family, I love you all. You guys are amazing. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. I will continue to love you all, okay, till death do us part. Anyways guys, this video I'll bring it to an end, and I'll see you guys in my next unboxing. So for now, bye. I love you guys. Oh yeah, go and stop this camera now.